If you are near retirement, you might have concerns when it comes to finances. So today we are joined by financial expert Julie Newton to learn more. Good morning, Julie. How's it going?
Good morning. It's great.
So Julie, we had a question from a reviewer. It says, when it comes near to retirement, it's good to be in bonds. Is that correct?
Well, that kind of depends on what your goals are, but bonds, by and large, are what most investment advisors recommend when it comes to retirement because they're considered safe. The problem is, how safe do you want to be, and are you getting any growth? So if you look at the performance of a bond fund over the last 5 years compared to the market, you'll notice that the market has grown about 30%, whereas the bond fund in many cases is actually negative in their performance. So whether it's really safe or not depends on what you're looking at, but if you have negative performance, then that's definitely not where you want to be because you need to grow with that inflation and cost of living changes.
Okay, and in this economy, is gold and precious metals, is that a good buy?
We get that question a lot. I hear it so many times. The thing to keep in mind with gold and precious metals is that even though it may seem like it's this great deal, especially with the current conversation, they're talking about devaluing the dollar and digital currency, and that creates an emotional response. And so a lot of people with all that social media and online, oh, it's time to buy precious metals, make your money safe. A lot of people have that emotional response to buying. The problem is that gold and precious metals are a little more volatile, and that price is not beholden to the market in any way. That is the stock market. So the problem is we don't necessarily get the growth from precious metals over the next 10, 20 years that we need to keep pace with inflation. So it can be a really risky or a speculative investment that may cost you in the long run.
Okay, and is it better to buy and hold or sell when investment goes down?
What advisors usually say is, oh, well, the market goes down, it'll always come back up, or, you're going to lock in those losses. But that's not necessarily the case. And the question is, are you invested in something that's going to protect you from those market downturns? And that's really an important thing that you need to do. Protect yourself from the downturns, so when it happens, you don't have to worry about, will I run out of money in retirement?
Ask Our Advisor on Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by Market Advisory Group. For more information, visit marketadvisorygroup.com.